Hi guys, I hope you are having a great start to this new year. दोस्तों जब पूरी दुनिया न्यू ईयर की सेलिब्रेशन मना रही थी तब एक शख्स ऐसा भी था जो अपने लॉसेस को भूलने की एंड उससे उभरने की कोशिश कर रहा था। जी हाँ दोस्तों, वो शख्स और कोई नहीं, मैं ही हूँ। एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम सिटिंग ऑन अ 2.5 lakh rupees loss guys. Basically my entire trading account has been kind of wiped out. So as you see on the screen, there's a loss of 2.5 lakhs guys. 2.5 lakh का loss. This video I'm making in English, Hindi and English both guys, so that it reaches a wider audience and new traders or even intermediate kind of traders don't make the mistakes that I have done. Watch the video till the very end. I'll be showing you all the mistakes that I did and how you can possibly avoid doing such mistakes and prevent your account from a complete wipeout. So this you see on the screen, guys. This is a complete wipeout. My entire trading account worth was around 2.5, 2.6 lakhs, and as you see on the screen, guys, I'm now on a loss of 2.5 lakhs. So let's begin the video. So I bought this on I think 31st of on Friday, guys. Last Friday, when the new this weekly options had renewed. So I bought it and I I bought a put guys put option. This one 6 Jan 17,200 ka put, and I bought at around 89 rupees guys. I did an average and total average price was only like came up to like 84. And as you see on the screen, the latest trade LTP last traded price is 5, and this might again drop down significantly if the price if the Nifty moves up today. Market hasn't opened yet. It's around 8:50 a.m. As you see on the bottom right corner of the screen. It's 8:50 a.m. right now. It's 5th of January today, 2022. Terrible loss, guys. I mean, it's a very very emotional moment, negatively because I mean it's a big loss, guys. The entire account has been wiped out, the trading account. So I'll just show you my entry positions and the thought process behind this trade. So this is the Nifty chart, guys. So here it is on 31st of December, last day of year 2021. So that's when the actually this current bull rally started, right? And so I bought the put option over here, guys, somewhere around here. Let me show you on a smaller time frame. You see this first candle, big green. So basically, the thought process was that there would be a retest for this level, guys. So that's the reason I shorted around after this candle actually. So I waited for 15 minutes and after this candle, on this candle, I shorted. Of course, which was a very very silly mistake, stupid mistake. But then the cash amount in my from my account that I've lost or losing right now is not silly, guys. That's real money. So it's a terrible situation for me. Do spare a thought for me. So that was the thought process, guys. I was expecting a retest and thought that I would make a quick gains of maybe like 5 to 10%. So I entered here with a position of like 50,000 rupees only, guys. Like my entire account at that point of time was trading account was 2 lakhs only. So out of 2 lakhs, I made one trade. That's one fourth, right? So 50,000 यहाँ पे मैंने लिया. Put सारा put पे वो trade किया था. So put buy किया यहाँ पे and then it did not fall. It kept rising. And then somewhere over here, then I average buy it. So initial average buy was around 90, then I average buy at 88, 86. So in this video, I'll show you all the mistakes, guys, in detail. Just stick till the very end. Also, guys, hit the like button, like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll keep you updated with the journey of my trading journey, basically. So let me quickly show you the mistakes. Like I'll keep this video short, guys, because market is opening, and yes, I would be trading. Don't know with what, but yeah, let's see what happens today. So I'll keep this video very short. So these are the mistakes, guys. 6 mistakes that I did, and hopefully you would learn from these mistakes, and do not do these kind of mistakes. The first one, of course, you might have guessed it already. The first mistake is stop loss, guys. So there was no stop loss for that because actually because of the second point, guys. Second point, conviction. Oh yes, I'm like totally convinced that there would be a retest and all that. So, guys, conviction is a good thing, but then don't overdo it. Conviction is something that can help you, or rather, that would make you to remove your stop loss. That you are so convinced that no, man, you don't need a stop loss. Stop loss की जरूरत नहीं है. या फिर बाद में stop loss डालूंगा. So just beware of conviction, guys. And so stop loss, yes, guys, there should be a stop loss. At least somewhere, right? Like 5%, 10%, or 20%. Man, keep it at 30%. Like, but don't don't wait for a 90, 95, 99% account wipeout, right? So very, very stupid mistake, guys. So and yeah, so like I said that I bought one fourth, right? From 2 lakhs, I bought 50,000. Then I kept averaging at 80, 88, 85, and all that. So my final average price was around 84. In fact, it was around 86 with that all that 2 lakh that I had. And I'll show you from 2 lakhs how I got a loss of 2.5 lakh. So that was about average buy, guys. Don't average buy. The learning would be don't average buy very soon. Like I bought the put option at around 90 starting. Then I did average buy at 88 or 89, 88 and 86. So the reason again for average buy is conviction, guys. You see the second point. This is a just be very, very cautious of this conviction, guys. This conviction will change you, do things that you wouldn't even imagine, like removing your stop loss or average buying too soon. So don't average buy too soon, guys. That is a learning. And also another thing about average buy is instead of average buy, if you're doing it too soon, right? Don't average buy. Instead, take a opposite direction call. So I bought put, right? So instead of average buying, like putting another 1.5 lakhs and doing this average buy, I should have bought a 50,000 or 1 lakh or 1 lakh this one call option. So that would have kept my losses like hanging around 20,000 or 30,000 instead of like 2.5 lakhs today. So average buy, guys, average buy works out good if you are into equity stocks. You can hold it, and you can hold it for a year also. But option trading is very fast. It's a weekly game, guys. So don't average buy. Avoid average buying. Yes, if you want to average buy, but average buy at a position where it makes sense. Like, but again, be cautious of that. You're better off buying a opposite direction trade, guys, instead of average buy. But then conviction, this conviction is what will make you to average buy. So this second point is very, very critical, guys. Just don't ignore this second mistake. So that's about average, guys, and then positional. Oh yes, so my trading account was basically meant for intraday trading. So 31st I bought on Friday. I bought the positions for around 1 lakh or 1.5 lakhs or something like that. Then I did a positional. I went overnight, guys. I thought, no, man, I'm not taking this loss. The first day the loss was around 90,000. So, and that, of course, it dropped down to 60,000. I didn't book the loss till at 60,000. So, at 90,000, the day ended, and then I took a overnight position. On the new year, then again the market went up. Then 90,000 just how soon it went to 2 lakhs, guys. In the blink of an eye, it just went to 2 lakhs. So that's option trading, and I did average buy at around 66 also, guys. And how I average buy it, like my account was 2 lakhs, but then like I sold some of my very, very high performing stocks, guys, high performing equity stocks, just to get that money for average buying. So that was another mistake, guys. So that's about borrow. So don't borrow money, guys. What you have for your trading is only that much is meant. Don't borrow. So I borrowed basically from my equity account that I sold my high performing stocks, and they were doing absolutely amazingly well, guys. Those high performing equity stocks. Those stocks as of now they have jumped up 30-40%. So that's another loss over there. I mean, that's intangible, but yeah, I mean, had I not sold those stocks, then that would have been a 30% plus instead of a minus completely wipe out here. So that's how my 2 lakh trading account, like it became like a 2.5 lakh trading account and the entire account wipe out. Last one, last mistake, guys, divide. Well, like in the beginning of this video, I did mention that I bought a 50,000 put option. So that was a proper divide. But then I had put my entire money like 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh behind that single trade. So that was a mistake, guys. It needs to be divided 1 by 4 or 1 by 3 maximum. So in a particular trade, just or a particular direction or at a particular moment, just go maximum by 1 by 4 or 1 by third of the total account. So these are 6 mistakes, guys, which which I've learned now. And yeah, by the way, guys, I'm fairly new to option trading. I'm doing option trading since December 2021. That's just last month, and that too like around mid of December. So I'll be continuing, guys, option trading a little bit. Yeah, by the way, guys, so what do you think? Like, should I like continue option trading or should I just leave? And I'm doing fairly well in equity markets. You can check my account, guys, Munya Multibaggers, where I keep sharing multibagger stocks. Many guys have benefited from these, like suggestions, and these are not financial advice. They I just share for educational purpose. So guys, do leave the comment below, like whether should I continue the trading journey, the option trading journey, or should I just leave it? For me, like personally, I would be continuing it. In fact, I'm planning to do a revenge trade, guys. Yeah, I'm planning to do a revenge trade because I need my 2.5 lakh back, right? So I need my 2.5 lakhs back from the market, guys. I'm planning to do a revenge trade. So my plan is for a 25 trading days session. It's a long and exhausting period. It feels like that because it's my own money, that I lost, and 25 trading sessions. That would be a 1.5 month or so. So, but I'm planning to do that, guys. Let's see like how it goes today, tomorrow, in the next few days, and based on that, I would be continuing it further. So the plan is like 25 trading sessions, so 10,000 rupees on each day, on an average, and 10,000 each day on an average. So that would be 25 days, and I would be getting. And guys, I'm not squaring off now, guys. This position, see, it's 5 rupees from 85, and I have 3,000. So 3,000 into 5, 5 3 15. That's 15,000 rupees, guys. लाइक यार 2.5 लाख का यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लॉस है. 15,000 में क्या ही लूँ यार. Let that 15,000 be like a lottery ticket, guys. Who knows, the market crashes today's Wednesday, या फिर tomorrow on Thursday, या 5 से अगर even if it goes to 5x or 10x by somehow, that's like ठीक है यार, maybe this 2.5 lakh would be dropping to like a 1 lakh loss or 1.5 lakh loss. So let's see, guys. But about the trading journey, I'll keep you updated, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I'll be keep you updated with the revenge trading, how it's going. Also, leave your suggestion, guys. Like I said, I have already told you, right? I've joined option trading only since last month, December 2022. Otherwise, I'm like fairly into equity markets and all that. But option trading is something different, guys. I'll be sharing the journey, guys, and that's it. Like it's 9 a.m. and I have to plan for the today's trades and all that. So I'll keep this video short. Just do remember those mistakes, guys, so that you don't do these mistakes. And especially if you're a beginner or an intermediate, trader in the market, then definitely stick to these. Learn these mistakes, guys. It's better to learn from someone else's mistake, right, rather than our own mistake. Had I learned these mistakes from someone else, today my account wouldn't have been blown up, like it wouldn't have wiped out entire account. So just learn the mistakes, guys, and stick to that. And also hit the like button, guys, if you haven't yet, and subscribe to the channel. Follow on Twitter at the rate Munya underscore tips. That's where I will be sharing the revenge trading updates. If you guys want me to, just leave your comment below, guys. And I hope I recover from this loss. And it's been an emotional drainage, guys, for sure. You know, that too on a New Year, guys. Imagine, like, the last day of 2021, I was sitting on a 90K loss, and first day of New Year again, it was a loss. I went out, guys. I did went out on New Year for dinner, and yeah, I paid the bill. On the New Year, it wasn't like 2.5 lakh का loss, right? तो बिल तो चुका दिया था उस टाइम पे, but it was quite emotionally draining, guys. So it definitely a loss होता है तो emotionally तो affect होता ही है. So it's better to have discipline, guys, in trading. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll keep you updated with the revenge trading, guys. So hit the like button, subscribe to the video, hit the bell icon, guys, and you'll be receiving more updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you all. Bye.